Hello, this is Poonam Shukla. You are from 14C028 and this is my database 10th lab experiment. And here I have to create a web application. So this is e-voting system. So here I have used PHP and MySQL queries to get to save something in my database. And now I'm going to explain this code to you. And uh, so this is my front end, my first web page. Here I have given voter ID and voter name and age and all, and for text candidate ID who you want to vote for, and the state means from where you belong, means place where you belong. And uh, and here this is the link I have given. If you want to know about your voter before giving vote, and this is means this is I have this web page I have connected to this link. And if you want to know about this voting system, how it's working, a small thing it's given, and then I have two candidate and their candidate keeps given, and here the a little about them. And if you want to know before you give your vote, so you just have to click on that link. And if I am giving means voter, if voter is giving its vote, so first they have to fill this form, and if they're filling it, then it's this this voter name, voter ID they are storing into database. And now I'll just show you. I'm filling my name. It's these are video, but I'm like only 10, if you're above 18 then only you can cast your vote, and who you want to vote for. So I'm giving C2. So I passed my vote. I given my vote here. So you see here it's showing that welcome the name of the person, and then you have voted for this person. So that's how you know who you voted for. And now I'm going to explain my code to you. So this is my first page. So here I have used some CSS and simple HTML for creating form. So these are my input, name, for name, and age I have given like if should be required minimum 18, and then simple text fields. And here I have created two links that you already seen on that page. uh, these are the link for if I'm clicking on how many people you have already registered, if you want to see how many voters were there. So administrator have to click on this link, only he can access. And if you this link uh, was given for uh, this link was given for if you want to know about candidate. So it will take you to this vote.php. That vote.php it's here. So this is my web page. I by using simple HTML I have created it. And if uh, if you want to see how many people have already registered, so the link it's connected to this page. So this page first I'm connected to my database, and so I'm creating this object mysql dot, this is the syntax, mysql underscore connect, and then host name, host is local, and the username is given in database, it's root, and then password, so space, and my database name is e-voting system that I'll show you. Where's my local host? So yeah, so this is I'm connected to my database. After that, this is my query. So I'm taking everything from voters table, and selecting vname, and then I'm executing this query, mysql underscore query, and then if that result is greater than 1, then it's fetching in rows. That's why mysql fetch arrays. The result is it's fetching, and then storing into variable row, and then by echo I'm just displaying it. So that was for displaying, and how it's inserting and telling you, and it's also showing the total count in database. Yeah, this is my e-voting system database. So here you'll see I have two tables. This is my candidate. So for TED gate means this C2 candidate with C2 ID, 3% have voted for him. So as person will enter it, the count will increase, and they as they give vote, the count will increase automatically. And in voters, yeah, it will insert here. First, only 3% was there. Now this entry, you see, 3% seat they have given vote for C2, and only one, the first person, has given their vote to C1. So it's updating as voter is uh, they are increasing. So yeah, so how it's happening? So here I'm storing my first I'm connected to my database, and then I'm storing my voter name, voter ID, and with whatever is present in my voter table, and candidate voter table. So I'm I'm taking from get and storing into variable, and then I'm by using session super global variable, I'm transferring this information and this from one page to another, and then so on. And how it's inserting, so for inserting I have keep mysql query is executing by inserting into voters, um, and these are the columns which are present in voters, and the value whatever the user is giving on the front page, it's entering into that, and then welcoming that particular person. And this is and how its total count is happening. If the scan means candidate id will be c1, so update we'll update the table, and table candidate, and total vote present there. So it will keep on updating. If it was vote total vote will increase where the id is c1, else if it c2 id, the same thing will happen. And if a user is giving his vote, then it will increase. And and then after that sql select candidate name, and that person, and yeah, if you have cast your vote, then your name will come, that voter name will come after that this session vname, and you have voted for that zero row means uh, the candidate who is present in the candidate table, that person's name will come after that. And if it's to c2, so that person's name will come here. Echo session the name of the voter, and you have voted for the candidate. So this was my 10th lab experiment. Thank you.